In order for an item to stay in my kitchen, I have to be able to use it multiple ways. This cutting board holder is just one of those items. Not only can I put all of my cutting boards on here and have them on my counter, but you can even put pot lids in here, use this as a drying rack for like plates and bowls, but you could also put like cookie sheets within this as well. This is made out of a nice heavy duty metal. Right here on both sides has a silicone, so once you place it in your cupboard or on your counter here, it's not going to move. Now I have a variety of cutting boards here. I do have a plastic one, but these three up top here are solid wood. So I've already tried it out once, but just look at how stable this rack is. Like, it does not move one bit. You want to be able to use it as like a drying rack. I grabbed some plates. So definitely has many ways that you can use it. Adding some cookie sheets here definitely fits them. And I really like how nice it even looks on my countertop. I want to thank the brand for sending this to me to test out and try. I definitely recommend it. It is heavy duty. There's multiple ways you can use it. So I hope this video has helped.